Macau Taoist Culture Festival 2023. So we are going to try to catch some of this. I'm also going to be reflecting a little bit about this one book I'm reading about music. So they're playing some music here. We're going to try to capture that. We're also in Senado Square. The Sonic construction is in the backdrop. We're cleaning this area. This is Senado Square, one of the most beautiful touristic sites in Macau. And we're going to try to capture all of this and talk about the music, connecting it to this, and also examining the Macau Taoist Culture Festival. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. We're just about to get started. There's also some traditional clothing here too. Hanfu. It's kind of cool, the Hanfu with a backdrop like that. We're in Senado Square. Highlight that right there. And then we are going to try to capture the music. And I also want to talk about it briefly while showing off Senado Square a little bit. But I was just reading this book about music, and they were talking about music in Macau, and how, you know, Portugal brought a lot of music to a lot of different places, and you know, including Brazil, Hawaii. They brought the guitar, ukulele. You know, these are all things that were brought. They're talking about the music in Macau and how certain cultures, the music was so already intact that they just didn't really have the interest in European music so much. So it's kind of interesting that they were talking about that. And then here I just kind of caught this music, so I'm reading that book and then kind of thinking about, like, we're going to be catching this in a minute. And I think what we're going to do in the meantime is we're just going to walk through Senado Square a little bit, bring you to a kiosk, kind of in a circle here. This is the post office right there. This street right here is Avenida Rivera. That goes all the way down to the MGM casinos. And then this one goes all the way down to Pont 16, which is where historically the boats came in. Ships. The post office, 1798. So Queen Maria, Portugal. First post office, 1884. Sorry. 1798. Which one? Well, lots of construction everywhere. So hopefully the Taoist music starts pretty soon. I kind of want to hear what that sounds like. But in the meanwhile, there we go.
由海南盘夫道教音乐团为您带来的道教音乐《南宗仙韵》，请欣赏。
the people with the attire today. I don't know if they must know about the Taoist. It's kind of cool. Looks like they traveled and came in. Starting to rain, so you can see all the people coming over this side. So that's this is all part of Senado Square. It's starting to rain today, so it should look great on film actually. Yeah, this is actually a little pedestrian street right here. This could get really crowded, but when it rains it'll clear out the crowds and they'll run for cover, which is kind of nice, to be honest. Yeah, I wonder where they come from, the Taoist. Checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.